Hi, welcome back. I'm Dr. Shreya Pava. Today I'm going to talk about an issue which is a little sensitive but very important for all of us to know. So many times I come across many clients who tell that they are not being understood by their family or their partners, or what they are going through, they are not able to understand. Sometimes what the family or the partners or the parents say to these people comes across to them as being very insensitive. So I thought, why not list down certain things which preferably we should not be saying to people who are depressed. So the number one is, it's all in your head. इतना मत सोचा करो. Just forget it. Don't think about it. You're overthinking. So you might be wanting them to get distracted from their current problem, but it comes across as if you are minimizing their problem. Mental illness or depression is as real as physical illness. So I wish depression was something which we could delete like a folder from the brain, but it's not. Just imagine, if you get hurt, would you actually forget about it for it to get healed on its own? No. So the number two is, you do not want to get out of depression. You just want to stay there. You're not working enough to come out of it. So this really seems like that you are blaming them for being in depression, and it's their fault that they are depressed. This further demotivates them to actually work on their depression. They rather feel ashamed to be depressed. So it's not very easy for them to actually snap out of the depression instantly and feel happy. Rather, they feel so trapped, they have no clue how to get out of it. You're overreacting. कोई डिप्रेशन विप्रेशन नहीं है, बस अटेंशन सीकिंग है. So this really seems that you are not understanding them, and in fact you are invalidating their feelings. They would rather feel more annoyed at you and would never trust you to confide in you ever again. Number 4, never say to them, you have everything, you are so blessed. Why do you feel so depressed? You have such a caring and a loving family. Look at others. You are better off than others. Yes. When you say things like this to a person who's depressed, it really comes across to them that you are being insensitive. You might be showing them the brighter side and you might be helping them count their blessings, but they rather feel even more guilty of being depressed. Number 5. Never say to a person who's depressed, think positive. They actually might take offense on it. They might interpret it as if you are telling them that they are intentionally being depressed and do not want to come out of it. Number 6. It is sometimes very difficult and heart-rending for the caregivers and the family members to see their closed ones suffer. So in the moment of ignorance or irritation or helplessness, they might say things like, get out of this depression. We can't see you anymore like this. What's wrong with you? The problem here is that it really seems to the person who is depressed as if they are being a burden on the family. So they even more feel guilty about being depressed. Number 7. Don't give advices like, just be happy, don't be lazy, try exercise, try meditation. There is no quick fix for depression. Yes, scheduling a day, exercise definitely helps alleviating depression, but it's not very easy for a person who is undergoing depression. So rather, how we can help the person who is depressed? Number 1, listen to them. Number 2, be there for them. And number 3, encourage them to seek help from any mental health professional. So let's be kind, compassionate and sensitive to anyone who is undergoing depression. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and comment in the section below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for further updates. Thank you.